Propaganda. Every bumper's got a tail. Villain try to see the scale. We talk
So what do I like about this particular Noah? One, obviously the dashboard is different. The way it's designed is different. But me, I mostly love the features that come with this car. Yeah, I love the features. Every time a car is safer than the previous one, then it should be the one that you buy. But also the other thing I like about this car is the price tag. While people are buying the 2011, 2012 model, because that model stops at 2013, yeah, and then 2014 they start bringing this model. While those people are buying that model at 48 million shillings, 46 million shillings, 45, you top up 5 million and get this model. The price is okay. It looks a bit newer.
We talk the truth or just a brand for car lovers across the land.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration. I watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Why you know want to see?
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spazio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
If you're feeling good, puka, 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 puka. We talk the truth or just a brand for car lovers.
Now, this car comes with the 3ZR FAE engine. Now, there are two versions of this engine. There is a 3ZR FE and then there is a 3ZR FAE. They are both dual VVTi, but what makes the 3ZR FAE different is this thing here. This is what they call the Valvematic. Now, the Valvematic makes the way the car receives air, the engine receives air, more efficient, which gives it even better performance in terms of fuel efficiency. And CVT, everything else is the newer, is in Kubuli. But you know what makes this car special is the fact that while you're going to be buying the other newer 2000, the old model of the newer at 48, 49 million shillings, this will cost you 50 million shillings. Today is 1st April, and I'm not making April Fools, no. Today is 1st April as in the date. So as of today, this newer here will cost you about 50 million shillings in the bond. That's my prediction. It's a very good car. Instead of buying the older newer at 48, I'd rather buy this one. It has extra safety features. It looks newer. It looks better. But just know it's the DNA. It's got a newer. It's got the engine that is in here is the engine that comes with the other old newer. Ya 2011 2012 engine esigala yemu gear esigala yemu naye lwakuba ekyuka munda awo eba ekyuseemu composite automatic start stop, the traction control naye zina traction control, ne stability control, which is a very good thing.
This is more than just machines. It's the love, the life, the dream.
When you come inside here, it's a normal newer. it's almost a normal. Almost everything that comes with this car will look like a normal Noah, because you'll have the back seats that you can raise up and create extra boot space, and then you have 2 pilot seats there and like a kubo there for executive feel. And then there are Noahs that don't have AC in the rear, but this has AC in the rear and it's very effective. Nti abantu abatulema bega tebagenda kusindukirwa meme, because there is no air conditioning.
For the love of cars, Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
See? And then I can close it again using the same method. Okay, I have to grasp how the remote works. Yes, long press and then it will close. Yeah? And then just the way we have a power button, I'm going to show you the power boot button there. And then let's open it and just experience what it feels like to sit behind here. Now, for you to sit here, obviously, you'll realize that to make sure that these carpets here don't get spoiled, you put this long carpet here. Now, this is very good for people that have kids. And let's say you have 2-3 kids and you want them to be comfortable. It means someone can sit here and they can actually relax like that. Yeah, they can definitely relax and sleep in, and this is very comfortable. Obviously, when they put on their seatbelt, they can just sleep. I think my sons would be very comfortable here. They would sleep, and you see, there is no chance of anyone sleeping, especially with the kids. For a person that has a family, that would be good. Now, this car has only one power door. The other one is not power. You just press it like this and it closes. Come the other side.
Car can't stop if you're new or a seasoned vet. For the love of cars, you ain't seen nothing yet. Fix it and learn it, drive it pro. This is more than just machines. It's the love, the life, the dream. Oh.
Now, this other side is manual. But of course you can push it there and it locks. But the efficiency we're having 2 sliding doors is that you can access the car from whichever side you want. Now, the reason why the other side has a power door, every time you find a car that has power doors and it's only one, it's normally the passenger side, because then it makes it very easy for the driver to just press the button and then the people can access, and then they press the button again to close the door. Now, let's look at the front. Gachigege.
Lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda we roll.
I'm sure people have been showing you how to close. You close, and then the side mirrors will also break, and then you open, and they will open. And there's something extra. Let me show you. Let's close it. And I have my keys in the pocket. I'm sure someone has shown you this before, but why don't I show it to you? No, you knew you got it from Arthur, and then you just open like that. Yeah. The only thing it doesn't do is it doesn't. You know, there are cars that have a button here. You press the button and it closes. This one doesn't. It just opens. So let's look at this. Now, the thing that happens with this model that is special, something that makes it more special than the newer old models, is some of the features that come with this car. One, there is this thing. It's called automatic start-stop button. This. Now, how the automatic start-stop button works is that let's just imagine your AC is off. When your AC is off and you're driving and it's engaged, if you put in drive, you'll press the brake, you're in traffic jam, you have been driving, the engine goes off. When you take your foot off the brake, the engine will self-start again, and then it will start running. If you move the steering in any direction, whichever direction, it will start. However, if you have AC engaged and it's in automatic, and you have a desired temperature you want, if the car senses that you need a certain temperature and you need engine power, the automatic start-stop will automatically be disabled. And if you turn it off, it will work normally. That's something that has plagued me for some time. As driving, I have AC on and it doesn't do automatic start stop, and that's what was disturbing me. So for the guys that have that feature, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you need to probably understand that. But nevertheless, the automatic start stop feature is
for the love of cause, Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
This car has traction control. The button is here for traction control. Some cars, the traction control is automatic. You don't have to press a button. But this car has stability control. And stability control literally just helps you stay stable on the road. Emotoka irimu stability control, temalaga gwa, temalaga evurungula, temalaga chi. And that's for me, I find that that's the best feature that this car comes with. Obviously, it doesn't give you extra airbags. You still have standard 2 airbags, which I don't like with most of the cars. Now, personally, I'm much more comfortable with cars that come with airbags at each of the pillars, yeah? If I had an airbag at this pillar, that pillar, I would know that that car is safe. But of course, stability control is something that is good. Now, the other thing, it has like a display here. Now, this car display is used for the car to communicate with you. Now it's telling you one door is open, and you can literally change the pages here, and then it will show you how the eco mode is performing, your mileage and stuff like that. So it literally just gives you different pages, you see. Now it's showing you the mode of the AC, and then it shows you if you want to go to settings, for example, to change settings. Yeah, it gives you a lot. And when you're driving, when you put in drive, okay, you see it's even giving you a warning. Now let me tell you a story, don't worry. Now this car, I inspected it straight from the bond, and the owner got it from the bond, and yesterday was supposed to go home. Now, something funny happened. This car, they put it in drive yesterday, and then the car did not want to go. For some reason, they did something wrong, and it kept blinking that warning. There is something they did, and the car refused to move, and they told me the car had a problem. Now, I have this car because I'm test driving it to just make sure it has no problem. And they kept telling me at the motorcade food day, and they left it. So the owner hasn't driven it even for a day. That's how I have the car. Now, sensor. We have not figured out what they did because the car has no problem. I've driven it the entire day. It definitely has no problem. And so that's basically what happened. So it has those features, of course, the steering controls, which literally everyone likes, yeah. And then it has dual AC, and then of course this is the cap for the love of cars. If you want to order, someone was telling me, so it has dual AC here. So the passenger can have their own AC, I mean that passenger, and then you can also have the rear AC for people in the back to have their own AC back there, which is a very good thing. And then of course it doesn't have a paddle shifters here, but then it has manual mode. So if you want to drive it manually, it would be a very good thing for you as well. And then storage, obviously, yeah, this radio is useless, so the owner has to change. But I love the design of the speaker area there. So let's look at, and of course, I love these. They're nice. And then it has automatic windows. What auto means is like you touch it once and the window will go down. You touch it once and the window will go up. That's what they call auto. But sometimes it can be annoying, so people disable it.
No, just the horsepower. Is it a new or a TX ride? We'll show you what's real, no just the hype. Styled views and engine rolls, we teach you more than just for those. Taking tools from the basics up, tracking gear and car care stuff. If you're new or a seasoned vet, for the love of cars you win.
So what do I like about this particular Noah? One, obviously the dashboard is different, the way it's designed is different. But me, I mostly love the features that come with this car. Yeah, I love the features. Every time a car is safer than the previous one, then it should be the one that you buy. But also the other thing I like about this car is the price tag. While people are buying the 2011, 2012 model, because that model stops at 2013, yeah, and then 2014 they start bringing this model. while those people are buying that model at 48 million shillings, 46 million shillings, 45, you top up 5 million and get this model. The price is okay. It looks a bit newer. In a way, it actually feels like it's wider, but it's not. It's obviously not wider. Now, you see this counter here. I don't know if you see it properly, but that shows you how much fuel you're actually saving. If it goes up to 30, you see now that knob. When you decelerate, when you take your foot off of the accelerator, it will go. That means we are using about 18 kilometers per liter there. Yeah. Now, when I step the accelerator, then you see, every time it goes low, then that means you spend. But this arrow is in a way showing you what you're using. It's a system that know because the fuel consumption is definitely a bit high.
That's the brand for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll.
I find that the soundproofing of this car is better than the previous Nuwa. Ulaba tutuddemu munuwe eri twalibadde ebiri ebweru tubiwulira. So I love the fact that they are improving the soundproofing with this car. Ebesingako kweri, and I can disable that's what happens. So, and then you can disable traction control, especially when you don't need it. Now, when the car has traction control, that's a performance feature. It will take more power. More power means more fuel for a car. Yeah, and I love that the storage is not really direct. Someone can easily miss when you keep something there. Same here.
More than just machines, it's the love, the life, the dream.
Well, thank you very much, guys, for being part of this review. I am glad I got to bring you this car, and I'm glad I got to talk about it. I'd like to remind you guys that I do pre-purchase inspection. I inspected this car from the bond, and I'm proud of our work with the team that we work with. I do pre-purchase inspection to help you make the right decision, the best decision when you're trying to buy a car. Yeah, I charge a small fee, only 450,000 shillings for a full day of inspection in the Kampala Central Business District. That money covers my time, a mechanic's time, and the fuel to move us around. And trust me, if you talk to me and the budget buys the car you want to buy, by 3 p.m. you will have a car. We are working towards getting 100,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed as you watch this video, please subscribe. You can tell your brother, sister, auntie, uncle, friend to subscribe to the channel so that we grow our community to 100,000 subscribers, because that is our goal. Until next time, guys.